single file can harm your computer. Basically, it's a warning to let you know, are you sure you want to download it, okay? If you're sure, you just click save. And it'll start downloading. Now to see it, you could show all downloads. And you see Avast is sitting here in your downloads. Now when you close Google Chrome, you will find that if you go to start, go to PC, you will see downloads. Now Google Chrome, you have to go to documents. And then you go to downloads. And you'll see there's Avast there. Now to install that program, basically you double left click on it and go to the process of installing. Now just basically you have to accept a wee license agreement with it to install it. You restart your computer and it'll automatically update itself. So you've done your recovery disk when you first started your computer. You've done a couple of tweaks, settings in your internet options on your network connection. This is for Windows 7 users, XP or Vista. You've also got your Windows updates, you've restarted your computer. You've started your Internet Explorer browser and you've downloaded Google Chrome or Firefox and you've installed it. You've installed your third-party package security software off your computer. You've restarted your computer and you've installed a free product or a full paid version. Okay. Now for the basic user, Avast is quite simple. It's a quad system. It'll protect you against viruses and it'll also protect your computer. Now Windows 7 also has a firewall built in it. Thank God it's a lot better than XP Firewall, because XP Firewall is basically a one-way system. So you go to start, you go to your control panel, and you have Windows Firewall. Now my firewall is turned off because I'm using a third-party software program. Because if I keep it on too, it's going to cause a conflict. As you notice, mine's turned off, but yours would actually be turned on by default settings. It's a two-way system. It will give you a bit of security, but personally speaking, I prefer to use a software firewall. And allow a programmer feature through your firewall is basically, you'll see all your settings on the left. It'll show you what's going through your firewall. Now, you do not want remote assistance going through your firewall, so you'll tick the box and hit OK. Or you can change the settings. Right, click change the settings. Okay. These are things that I will untick. Now, Bonjour belongs to Safari web browser. And you click OK. Now, computers sometimes run smoothly and sometimes they cause wee hiccups. Don't panic about it, don't worry about it. If you take these simple steps when you're browsing the internet the very first time, I'm going to tell you. Number one, do not open an email that you do not recognize. So if you happen to go to your email account and it says that you've won the lottery, or click on this, you've been entered for a competition, it's a con, don't open it. Make sure you've got your Windows updates up to date. You can't leave it set by default automatic update, or if you're an experienced user, you can change it to manual. But this video is for the people that have never used the computer before. Take your time. Okay, don't expect to learn too much at once. Make sure that you put a security product on your computer. If you want to use something simple that's going to make it secure and it's free, you can use Avast, A-V-A-S-T. Now, if you find your computer is running slow, on Windows 7, you can go to Start, you can go to All Programs. And here you will see Accessories, you can click it. And in here, if you scroll down, you'll see what they call System Tools. Now, you have what they call a Disk Cleanup utility. You click it once. Now, depending how much memory is in your computer, it'll depend on how slow it is or how fast it is. So just have a wee bit of patience. Remember, it's not a racing car or sports car you're driving, it's a computer system that you're using. So you click this cleanup and a small box should appear here. Obviously I have some programs in mind that do it for me, but it should have started up.